Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! Remember back in Grammar 2.1.1, we learned how to use the word 要 to express intention. 我要去商店买椅子. I will go to the shop to buy some chairs. And we also compared 要 with 会, which we learned back in HSK 1 under Grammar 1.12.4. We learned that 会 means something will likely happen without someone necessarily wanting it to happen. 火车会来, the train will come. It will come whether you like it or not. So 要 and 会 both express some kind of future. Now we're going to look at how to express more immediate futures, how to say the train is about to come. Oftentimes we want to give indication of the urgency of the matter, how something is just around the corner and we'd better prepare for it. So how do you say the train is about to come? Here's how. 火车要来了. You just add the l at the end. So 要 verb l means it's going to happen. You can be more explicit by adding the word 快, which means quickly or soon. 火车快要来了. The train is about to come soon. 火车快要来了. 去北京的火车快要走了. The train to Beijing is about to leave soon. 去北京的火车快要走了. Let's hear that in an announcement. 3、2、1 3、2、1
旅客们，去北京的火车快要出发了。
火车快走，快！
刚才我说什么？火车要走了，很好。要下雨了 ，It's about to rain. 快要下雨了 ，It's about to rain soon. 要下雨了，你路上慢点儿。It's about to rain. Be slow. That is, be safe on the road. 要下雨了，你路上慢点儿。快要下雨了，你路上慢点儿。It's about to rain soon. Be slow or be safe on the road. 快要下雨了，你路上慢点儿。天阴了，我要回去了。阴 means cloudy weather. It's getting cloudy. The weather is getting cloudy. It's getting cloudy. I'm about to take off and go home. 天阴了，我要回去了。A new year is about to come. 新的一年要到了。新的一年要到了。And with the word soon, 新的一年快要到了。新的一年快要到了。时间过得真快，新的一年快要到了。How fast time passes, a new year is about to come soon. 时间过得真快，新的一年快要到了。Be careful, if you already have a time expression like 下个月, then we shouldn't use 快. We are about to go back to our country next month. 下个月我们要回国了。Not, 下个月我们快要回国了。快 itself is a time expression. And if we have two time expressions in the sentence, it's redundant. You don't say, we're about to go back to our country next month soon, right? You either say next month or soon. You don't say both. 下个月我们要回国了 and not 下个月我们快要回国了。If you want to emphasize that it's soon, we can say 就 instead. Do you know what 就 expresses? Remember back in Grammar 2.7.2, we learned how the word 就 can indicate that the action happens sooner or more quickly than expected. So adding a 就 here means going back to the country will happen soon. 下个月我们就要回国了. It's soon gonna happen. 明天姐姐就要走了. Older sister will be leaving as soon as tomorrow. Again, 就 expresses as soon as. It's something that's going to happen soon, sooner than expected. 明天姐姐就要走了。下个星期我们就要考试了。We're about to have an exam in just a week. 下个星期我们就要考试了。Here the 就 expresses the just in just a week. That's everything. You can review the material from your textbook under Lesson 15, Notes Number 1.
If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK2 video course. We teach you grammar and vocabulary with 75 videos as well as quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK2 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you will have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.